JBL is a name that will be very familiar to any audio enthusiast. The company has been in the business of creating high-quality audio products for decades and is a pioneer in the field. What we have right here with us takes that know-how and distills it into a device that fits in your pocket. Say hello to the new JBL Wave 100 earbuds. As we unbox these headphones, let's take a look at what you might expect from these earbuds. These brand new TWS earbuds are aimed at music lovers and promise a balanced sound. This is something JBL as a brand is known for. As such, users can expect purity and clarity when it comes to audio. But sound quality isn't the only reason why one might consider the JBL Wave 100 earbuds. Speaking of the sound quality, these earbuds come with dual equalizer modes. This allows you to switch between two sound modes as per your mood, thereby giving you the option to listen to your music just the way you want to. Now that the device is unboxed, we can see another key aspect of the earbuds, its unique design. As one can see, the case of the JBL Wave 100 earbuds do not have a lid. This striking design helped it win the prestigious Red Dot Design Award this year. JBL calls this topless design and makes it super convenient to use with one hand. As there's no lid, users can easily access the earbuds without fiddling. In case you're worried about the earbuds falling out, don't fret. The JBL Wave 100 packs strong magnets that hold the earbuds in place. This should ensure that the buds remain in the case when it's in your pocket or in a bag. And as if that wasn't enough, the JBL Wave 100 comes with the option of small, medium and large tips. This will not only ensure comfort for hours, but will also ensure a snug fit. This allows for a much better sound experience. And finally, there's the battery. The earbuds of the JBL Wave 100 can offer a battery life of up to 5 hours on their own. However, the case adds another 15 hours of juice. And when the time comes to charge them, the USB Type-C port ensures convenient and easy charging. Well, that was an unboxing and quick look at the JBL Wave 100. These new earbuds will be available on Flipkart.